Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix YouTube and error occurred retry error problem. So let's see how to fix this problem. For solving this problem, first of all go to settings. Now scroll down and find apps option. Now go to apps option. After go to apps option, now find YouTube from the app list. Now tap on YouTube. Scroll down, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on delete. Now go back to home screen, open Play Store. Now click on search bar and search for YouTube. From here update your YouTube apps if available any update version. Just update your YouTube app. After completing update process, now restart your phone. Just restart your phone. After following all steps, now go to YouTube and check your problem solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.